Okay, Guru. So, what are some of the key things a company needs to consider before selecting an ERP?
Okay. Before I start, I would like to tell you that before selecting any ERP, you need to keep at least six major things in your mind.
Six things.
Yeah. Very first thing is that you have to identify your needs and then finalize it. Actually, needs are different and wants are different. Finalize your needs and then what are the functionalities you are looking. Based on that, you'll have to select the right ERP for your business.
Okay.
When I say wants, so wants may be many. So I can travel from one place to another with a car.
Right.
But wants maybe no, I have to travel with big high woofer music system.
Okay.
That's want actually.
Right.
So that's
So bells and whistles.
Yeah. So bells and whistles. So those kind of things. So you need to finalize your needs. So based on that, you need to select your right ERP. And another major thing, the second point is the technology. Technology plays a major role in selecting any ERP because you need to evaluate your current technology you have already owning, and then the selecting ERP, is it in line with the current technology trends, and then what are the resources available for that technology for future enhancement or maybe support and maintenance.
Okay.
So, and then of course, what will be the cost of that technology and all those things you need to evaluate.
Right.
Another major point is the software vendor.
Okay.
So typically, all ERPs will come with reputed vendors. So like Microsoft or Oracle, SAP, so like that. You need to see what is the roadmap for that software. So what are their plans in upgradation or in different versioning, and then so usually what happens is ERPs will be keep upgrading. There will be more functionalities adding to that, and then so you'll have to look at the roadmap of that product so that in your future business enhancement also you can align that changes into your business.
So the product has to be, the future roadmap for the product has to align to your industry and your specific kind of business that you are within that industry.
Yeah, of course. See, what happens, the technology will keep changing. So,
right.
So the product also has to align with that changing technologies.
Right.
So that we'll have to look at that the software vendor, what is his credibility, what is his capacity of changing it, all those things we'll have to evaluate before selecting any ERP.
Right.
And another thing is the implementing vendor. See, usually, typically, what happens that product comes with one vendor, main software vendor, and then implementation happens from the different partners.
Okay.
You can take any ERPs, like very reputed ERPs. So you'll have to look at the ecosystem of that partners, how whether that product is having right business specific partners, so which can really benefit your business. So ideally what happens is partners are locally available, and then they are experts into your kind of business. So you'll have to evaluate that and then select. And another thing is we'll have to look at the implementing vendors' past experience. Is there any case studies, success case studies, and then how many implementations they have done, and all those things we'll have to evaluate before selecting this implementing vendor. And another major thing is support and maintenance. When I say support and maintenance, after go live of any ERP, there will be major problems. All problems starts only after implementation.
After go live, okay.
So you'll have to look at what kind of supports either your main software vendor or the implement vendor gives to your post implementation. And
I would hazard that it's more likely to be your implementing partner than the software OEM, because software OEM is huge. I mean, whether it's Microsoft or SAP or Oracle, they're big companies.
Yeah.
They may not be providing a one-on-one support to you as a small company, especially if there's a customized solution for you.
Yes. Yes. So always what happens, there may be some kind of changes on top of the core product,